Jeep Wagoneer S. This might be the future of SUVs, or the reason you stop trusting gas cars altogether. Because what you're looking at right now isn't just another Wagoneer. This is a shift, a bold move into electric, without losing what made this name powerful in the first place. And in 2026, that matters more than ever. The first thing you notice is how clean it looks. Not aggressive in a loud way, but sharp, controlled, intentional. The front end is smoother, more refined. That signature grille, reimagined for the electric age. Closed off, but still unmistakably Jeep. Slim LED lighting stretches across the front like a futuristic signature. It doesn't scream for attention. It earns it. The body lines are tighter, more aerodynamic. You can feel that this wasn't just designed to look good. It was designed to move efficiently. And those wheels? Massive, precise, almost concept-like. This isn't just an SUV. It looks like what SUVs are becoming. Step inside and everything changes again. Because this is where the future really hits you. Screens. Everywhere, but done right. Wide displays across the dashboard. Clean UI. Smooth transitions. It feels more like a high-end tech product than a traditional car. Minimal buttons. Maximum control. Everything is touch, voice, or automated. You don't operate this SUV, you interact with it. Ambient lighting flows through the cabin. Materials feel modern. Sustainable, but still premium. And space? Flat floor. Open cabin. More legroom than you expect. No bulky transmission tunnel. No waste of space. Passengers don't just sit, they relax. This is the kind of interior that makes gas-powered SUVs feel old. Now, let's talk performance, because electric changes everything. Instant torque. The moment you press the accelerator, it moves. No delay, no build-up, just pure, immediate power. It feels quick, effortless, almost silent. On the highway, it glides, smooth and controlled. In the city, it feels lighter than it should, responsive, easy. And here's the key difference. This isn't about engine noise anymore. It's about experience. Quiet, fast, clean. That's the new luxury. Now let's get real. Should you actually buy something like this? If you're ready to move into the future, this is exactly what you've been waiting for. No fuel stops, lower running costs, a driving experience that feels modern every single day. If you commute, if you drive daily, if you want to save money long term, this makes a lot of sense. But let's not pretend it's perfect. Charging infrastructure still matters. If you don't have easy access to charging at home or nearby, this becomes inconvenient fast. Road trips, they require planning. And if you're someone who loves the sound and feel of a traditional engine, this will feel completely different. Now, compared to something like a Tesla Model X or even a Rivian R1S, this is where things get interesting. Because this brings something they don't fully have. Heritage, that Jeep DNA, that sense of capability, that identity. It feels like a bridge between old school toughness and new school technology. Now let's talk ownership, because this is where electric vehicles can change the game. Fuel? Gone. You're charging instead of filling up. And over time, that saves real money. Maintenance? Lower. Fewer moving parts. No oil changes. Less wear overall. Reliability? Electric systems are simpler, but long-term battery health is something to consider. And resale value? Still evolving. But EV demand is growing, and that could work in your favor. Now the verdict. If you want something traditional, something familiar, this might feel like too big of a leap. But if you want something modern, efficient, and future-focused, this is a buy. Not just a car, a transition. A statement that you're ready for what's next. But here's the real question. Are you ready to go fully electric? Or are you still holding on to gas? Drop your answer below. This is where opinions get divided.